How to use. Replacing the fuse. When the circuit malfunctions or abnormalities occur, the fuse will blow itself to cut off the current and protect the safety of the circuit and the instrument. When the fuse is blown, it needs to be replaced. Before installing the handle, the instrument needs to be filled with water. Fill with 100 milliliters of water and do not add more water after it overflows. Installing the brackets. Install the laser plate brackets on both sides. Connect the small laser board. Connecting the large laser plate. Connect the cold hammer handle. Connect the negative pressure RF handle. Connect the cavitation handle. Connect the 4 RF handles in turn. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. There is an emergency pause. Rotate the switch back. The instrument will be restarted. Press the switch. The instrument will be shut down. Laser board system. 1, 2 for small laser plate. 3-8 for large laser plate. Energy 10 to 18. Time 20. M1 constant light mode. Continuous energy output mode. Securing the laser plate with straps. The laser plate has different modes of adjustment, according to the needs of choice. Slimming system. Energy 40 to 70%. Mode selection. Select mode 1. Duration 15 to 20 minutes. Tap to start. Apply gel or essence to the operating area. Cryotherapy. Energy 30 to 70%. Duration 10 to 15 minutes. Tap to start. Demonstration of handle operation. Vacuum and radio frequency. Energy 20% to 70%. Duration 15 to 20 minutes. Suction 3 to 8. Relax 0 to 6. Suction is greater than relax. When relax is 0, it is direct suction mode. AP to start. Rotate to the left is to reduce suction. Rotate to the right is to increase suction. Note: apply RF cream on the operation area when relax is not 0. When relax is 0, 10 pole radial frequency, energy 40-70, time 15 to 20 minutes. Apply radial frequency cream on the operating area, suitable for use on small areas of the body, such as arms, calves. Octupole radial frequency, energy 40 to 70%, duration 15 to 20 minutes, suitable for use on large areas of the body such as arms, calves, neck and shoulders. Tripolar radial frequency, energy 40 to 70%, duration 15 to 20 minutes, suitable for use on the face and neck. Apply radial frequency cream on the operating area. Bipolar radial frequency, energy 40 to 70%, duration 15 to 20 minutes, suitable for use on the eye area. Apply radial frequency cream on the operating area. Octupole radial frequency. Apply essential RF cream evenly to waist and abdomen. Make small circles around the belly button for 3 to 5 minutes. Make small circles around the belly button for 3 to 5 minutes. Make big circles around the belly button for 3 to 5 minutes. Make small circles along the side of the waist toward the belly button, 2 to 3 minutes. Make small circles along the side of the waist toward the belly button, 2 to 3 minutes. Sculpt up and down on waist 2 minutes. Lift from the side of the waist towards the navel, 2 to 3 minutes. Combine the hands and lift from the waist side towards the navel, 2-3 minutes. Focus on the fat area in a circular motion, 3 to 5 minutes. 40K cavitation. Apply a proper amount of gel to waist and abdomen. Make small circles around the belly button for 3 to 5 minutes. Make big circles around the belly button for 3 to 5 minutes. Make small circles along the side of the waist toward the belly button, 2 to 3 minutes. Sculpt up and down on waist. Combine the hands and lift from the waist side towards the navel, 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on the fat area in a circular motion, 3 to 5 minutes. Wipe clean. Apply essential RF cream evenly to waist and abdomen. Move in big circles on the periphery of belly button, repeat 2 minutes. Make small circles around the belly button for 3-5 minutes. Sculpt up and down on waist. Repeat 2 minutes. Lift from the side of waist to belly button. Repeat 1 minute. Laser. Secure the 6 large laser plates to the fat locations with straps. Tap to start. At the end of the time, remove the laser plates and untie the straps. How to drain wastewater. Unplug the back connecting cable. Needs to be lifted to drain the water. Cleaning instruments. Wipe with alcohol pads, then with a clean towel. Clean all handles in turn.